Hi guys. This video will show you how to fix webcam and camera keeps turning on and off and on Windows 10. Also learn how to fix event system log error, the Windows camera frame server service terminated unexpectedly. Step 1. Open this PC and go to the following path. In that folder locate RsProviders folder and then make right click and rename it to something else such as old RsProviders. Step 2. Perform Cleanboot. Press the Windows plus R key to open a run box. Type config in run box. And click OK. On the General tab, click Selective Startup. Clear the Load Startup Items checkbox. Click the Services tab. Select the Hide All Microsoft Services checkbox. Click Disable All. Click Apply, and then OK. Restart your computer. That's all there is to it.